So, yeah, I want to tell the whole world something. If you have a Husky or you know anybody with a northern dog, like a Husky, Siberian, or any kind of breed of Husky that is mixed or whatever, you will experience some separation anxiety. Come on, guys. What they do is they get really anxious when you leave them alone at home, so they can become destructive and very loud. They can howl. Trust me, I've had experience with my little baby right there. Yes, my little baby. Yeah, so it's a word out there to all y'all that have a Husky or know anybody that has problems with their Husky or northern dogs or breeds that are similar. You have to give them lots of exercise, and I mean a lot. I go on hikes with my little baby, but I also bike ride her. Like, I'll bike and she'll run along with me. It's so cute. She just follows the tire. She's so smart. They are all smart, you know. So yeah, you gotta get their energy released, because they all have this built up energy that they need to go and release, and if they don't, then they're gonna become little brats. So you gotta make sure you exercise them enough. We're just on a nice little hike in the woods. Well, actually in the forest. I call this the forest. I think the woods are more like straight trees everywhere. This has a lot of greenery. So if you know how to handle a Husky, then I would say go adopt one from a shelter, because there's ones in kill shelters. There's ones everywhere that are put up for adoption, or that are getting rehomed because the owners don't know how to handle them. But if you know how to handle a Husky with proper exercise and also feed them properly, then hell yeah, I say good for you, and have fun at it too, because they are magnificent breeds. Beautiful, fast, energetic, and wow, they are so smart. Purely a God's creation.